Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech.net. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Portronics Harmonics Twins S12, a compact and affordable pair of truly wireless earbuds. Let's see what's inside. So, here we have the earbuds box. Let me just open up and check what's inside. So inside, first you can see we get a warranty card, which is for 1 year, and some paperwork. Let's just keep that aside and see the TWS. Everything looks neatly packed, and the case is really pocket-friendly. The case has a smooth, matte finish, and the earbuds are lightweight. They look simple, yet stylish. Now, let's talk about how they perform. These earbuds are super comfortable. They fit snugly in the ears and are great for long listening sessions, whether you're working out or just relaxing. We get a USB-C type charging cable in the box. Plus, they're water-resistant with an IPX5 rating, so sweat or rain won't be an issue. Let's talk about the sound. These earbuds have 13mm drivers, which deliver clear, punchy sound with good bass. Whether you're listening to music or taking calls, the sound quality is really nice for the price. Pairing is easy with Bluetooth 5.3 version. The connection is strong and stable, even from a distance of up to 10 meters. Let me just pair the TWS. The soft touch controls make it simple to play music, pause, or answer calls, all with just a tap. Now, battery life is a big deal. You get up to 24 hours of total playtime with the case. And if you're in a hurry, a 10-minute charge gives you about 2 hours of playtime. Plus, it charges with a Type-C cable, which is super convenient. So, what do I think of the Portronics Harmonics Twins S12? For the price, you're getting great sound, a comfortable fit, long battery life, and easy-to-use features. They're perfect for everyday use, especially if you're on the go. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Tech.net for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you buy these awesome TWS? Till then, see you in the next one.